Hello guys, welcome back to Orenga Beauty channel. In case you don't know, I am a Kenyan, yes, and in case you are new here, welcome. Kindly do subscribe for more hair tutorials because I am loving these hair tutorials on a budget. I have learned that you can look good regardless of the state of your pockets or state of your bank account, and this is my goal, just to make sure that y'all look beautiful, y'all look classy, y'all look fancy on a budget. So keep on watching. So today I am doing a top knot tutorial. This thing is so cute, and the only things I used were my combs, my crunchies, my hair extension that is used, and it is very cheap. I actually bought the braid at 55 Kenyan shillings, and I have used it like I don't know how many times. I think like 5 times I have been using that specific braid extension to tie my knot. And trust me guys, when you buy a braid color that is the color of your hair, like I bought number 2, it really matches your hair color. So many people tend to confuse and think that that's my hair, but we all know we are out here trying to fake long hairs kwa imani, by faith. So I went ahead, tied my hair as you guys have seen, and I applied my soft and free styling gel, which is only 120 Kenya shillings. What are you doing? Kimbia, enda kwa supermarket and purchase soft and free gel. And after I did the spreading with my arms, at the arms, with my hands, I used my comb to ensure that the gel has been uniformly spread all over my beautiful afro human natural hair, 4C type. I am loving my hair nowadays. And after I did that, I took off the crunchie, went over the hair, or like I went over that whole process again, just to ensure that everything is perfect, man. Like there's no room for error. Like we don't want people to think that we did this DIY on ourselves, by ourselves. So lazima tuzungusha watu huku nje. And I didn't know I was to sing, so niko hapa and I am tying my hair again. Aki guys, I have missed you, but as I told you guys, we are going to link after I am done with my exams, hopefully. But with the rate at which I miss you guys, I think we are going to just have another story time, so I will plan out for that. And after I tied my hair, this is what I did. Do you want to know? Keep on watching. So I took my comb, went through just perfecting, and then I took off my edges. Wow, that hair is slicked, man. It is slicked, man. And I am going to give you all the tea, all the juice, all the ice pops that you need, man. I'm gonna give it to you. But there, I'm not a singer, I'm not a rapper, I'm a child of God. So I was here doing my edges, slaying my edges, bila kubahatisha. So guys, if you need a tutorial on how to do your edges, kindly DM me or comment hapo chini. I'll ensure that I do a tutorial, special dedication for you. I feel like I've talked too much, a whole 4 minutes. So I tied my hair using this silk hair scarf. Yes. And after that, I went off camera, did my eyebrows, then I combed my braid extension. Can you see? Look at the edges down there. It is already used. And one thing I'd advise you, don't be throwing your hair extension, because the older they get, the more flexible you'll be able to twist them, turn them, the more natural they begin to look. So yeah, that's a secret. Ensure you don't tell anyone unless they really need it. On a bad hair day, kindly tell them, help a sister out, tell them to click on Warenga Beauty, because she has all the tea and all the juice and all the ice pops. Okay, I want you guys to see what I did over here. I used that braid extension to cover my natural hair. So I folded my natural hair in between the braid extension so that it cannot be seen. So your first twist, ensure uianzie na juu. Your first twist should start from the top, then as you continue to twist in the same direction, ensure that your knot and your twist is lying beneath the first twist. I hope I am making sense. There's not a tutorial, there was something I was listening to, and that lady was saying that instead of saying, did I make sense, start to say, I know I have made sense. So that made sense for me. And after I finished twisting my hair, oh my gosh guys, look at that knot. Look at that top knot, yo. And I did it myself. I did it myself.
So guys, this is the final look. Let me show you. I have a video where I took the whole thing outside, but this is how we look from afar. It's a bit cuter because you guys can see the top knot. So yeah, I really enjoyed filming this video. Kindly make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you comment, and don't forget to share it with your friends in case you know anyone that will really love this hairstyle. Please link them up, man. Say help a sister out now. Help a sister out. I have only used molding gel, inaitwa styling dreads, and soft and free gel, and what's it called? Yes, and a very cheap and used braiding hair. And this is the outcome. Tunaweza rock hivi and no one will know. How will they know? How will they know? So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Kindly make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. Until next time guys, bye.